bridge over the Trent and it's for real. Had every drink on the list and it made us very pissed. But what a way to feel. We spent the morning in with hideous hangovers, and me dad watching the sunset in his vest. We've had some really funny folks and been chatted up by blocks that'll probably just expect. And gone far, far away, with my head up in the clouds. And I'm far, far away, with my feet down in the crowd, letting loose around the world. And the call of home is loud, still as loud. We've had a quarry at midnight in the padman. We met some real isle with mates in dirty time. We've seen our check dancing a jig, wearing a dress and a wig, but it's no way to be hide. We've seen the yellow faces up there in our pubs. We've seen the dogs having a scrap up the green. We've danced with sugar in my young love next door, thinks he's on for his lawsuit, living the dream. I'm just far, far away, with my head up in the clouds. And I'm far, far away, with my feet down in the crowd, letting loose around the world. But the call of home is loud, still as loud. We met a clever chap and his name is Papa. There's John Martin and Craig, Mr. May. His list of friends is so vast that he's feeling up his back when he's off to a camp and down rain. So with that we wish you a happy birthday, lots of love, love and all the rest. And the drink or two, we really love you, you're simply one of the best. We're far, far away, with my head up in the clouds. And I'm far, far away, with my feet down in the crowd, letting loose around the world. And the call of home is loud, still as loud.